We are the Atomic Winners, and we are going to tell you about Operation Husky in the Italian campaign. Here are the Allied leaders. On the left is Winston Churchill, who is the Prime Minister of Great Britain during World War II. In the middle is Franklin Delano Roosevelt, who was President of the United States. On the right is Joseph Stalin, who was the dictator of Russia. All of these people were leaders of the countries who were part of the Allied powers. Here are the Axis leaders. On the left is Benito Mussolini, who was the fascist dictator of Italy. In the middle is Adolf Hitler, who was the dictator of Germany. On the right is Hideki Tojo, who was the Prime Minister of Japan and the General of the Imperial Japanese Military.
Winston Churchill and FDR came up with Operation Husky. Operation Husky is where they would take over or attack Sicily. William Darby, George Patton, and Bernard Montgomery were all military officers for either British or American troops. In the attack of Sicily, Benito Mussolini was a leader of Italy at that time. And since Sicily was part of Italy, Benito Mussolini wasn't too happy about the Allied troops taking over Sicily.
The USA 7th Army was the first U.S. field to see combat in World War II in Europe. The British 8th Army was one of the best known formations of the British Army. They were fighting in North Africa and Italian campaigns.
Attack on Sicily. The invasion of Sicily on July 10, 1943. They landed near Gela, which was a town on the central coast of Sicily.
The American army faced tough resistance from the people of Sicily and from the Italian army. The attack helped them take over the rest of the Mediterranean Sea.